dahil may testing. Just wait until break the past really, so we will see the past. Until there's tears inside me, I'm gonna let you be. There's just one thing that I want you to know. I still believe in love and you, in spite of all the past I've away. Even here together again, you would break my heart. Wanting but never changes. I still believe in love and you. We're too tired, you'll be alright. Too late to see the play, probably unrealized. And to a feeling in between, I guess this is what you need. Because there's just one thing that I want you to know. I still believe in love and you. In spite of all the pains that I'm going through, even if we can't again, you would break my heart. One thing will never change. I still believe in love and you. I still believe in love and you. In spite of all the pains that I'm going through, even here together, you would break my heart. Wanting would never change. I still believe in love and you. Still believe in love and you. Wanting would never change. I still believe in love and you. Wish I could say to you, I always say what you, but baby, that's not me. Can meet someone willing to give the heart and soul to you. Promise you to love, baby, there's something I can't do. Oh, I can say that I'll be all yours, but that would be enough. I know me, I don't make you cry. I'm not the one you need. I love you. Goodbye. And some we don't understand. I'm on tour and it's for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kindest thing to do. You need someone, you'll be the one that I could never be. Who could be something better than to love if I win? Who could say that I'll be all you need, but I don't be alive. I know I don't need you, I know I don't make you cry. I'm not the one you say, and now you get maybe someone when you love someone is the hardest thing to do. When you love someone as much as you love me. Oh, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, tears me up inside, but I'll never be the one you leave. I love you,
Hi guys, have a blessed morning everybody. So we will have our cleaning for the Darling! Hi! Ayan, it'll be transparent. So, we will going to ikabit natin po ito sa ating electric fan. Medyo mag-phone natin guys. Okay guys, so we will have our unwinding. So, with our here from the ocean. From deep ocean. Guys. Guys, with this, let's go to our unwinding. Okay guys, matches. Dito tayo ulit sa aking paborito dinuguan. Mag-video po ako sir. Okay, since 2023, dito ko talaga kumakain ng mga dinuguan. Kasi start ko dito lang yan sa Pagkasigas. Yellow year. Guys, this having our snack brunch and dinner. So it's our brunch and early dinner because we don't have breakfast and lunch. So I wake up earlier around 3 p.m. and then go back and sleep. So nagising na naman tayo. Hi baby! Hello! Nandito ka na! May abili na rin na ayaw ang anak eh.
Hindi na din galing sa sakit.
Ang sakit po?
Oo.
Kawawa na, baby. Pumunta sa akin yung content. Kasi nakaraan ko, sir, ayaw taga mag-ano sa akin. Kuya, pag-asin. Ayan, guys. So, yung TV pumunta sa atin. Okay. Kasi the time, kasi nung last, nung ako dito, lagi ko nabang yung tuluan. Kasi wala talaga, is lagi ako minsan, ako minsan nakakaako ng tuluan. Lagi sold out. Kaya, ang ano ko, ang instead tinutuan, nagiging Nissan for Sam or Buffalo Wings. Sam or guys, because it's my very favorite. You know guys, I'm a vampire. I love blood. Sarah or gumawa ko dito siya sa have our eat guys, yun. Gutom po talaga ako kasi wala akong kain na kanin maghapon. Okay. Sabi talaga, you know what? It's just 98 pesos. Makakain ka na. Pag sa fast food chains ka, sa Jollibee, scores 120 something. Wala sa mga kumain. So, it's still available. Kain na talaga. Let's have it, guys. Delicious. Alam mo, kumakain ito kina ate, na kuya. Ano, naka-coach ba, naka-owner, lahat. So, parang nasa Tarlac, parang sa, same sa Tarlac, sa restaurant nila Tito. Kasi ang kumakain doon lahat naka-owner. Kasi yan, maaga-maga pa lang, ay shit, pa lang. Ang dami ng customer sa labas, nakapila, mga professionals. And, sobrang dami. Masarap kasi. Galing ni ate, maraming ang honey. Kasi napalaki na to. Super kasi maliit lang to. Ano lang, kainan to. Kaya pala. So after this, we will have our concert. Okay, I prepared kakanta sa Walter kasi maganda yung microphone. Doon kasi sa ano, pangit ang microphone eh. Maganda lang doon kasi online. Pwede mo siya i-search yung mga wala sa songless ng mga karaoke. Mga bagong kanta. Kaya pag dito ako, palagitan na lang ako ni ate kuya. Dito, alam na agad nila kung anong order ko. Yung order ko is diniguan.
Becomes a place, things are torn and free. Someone's always saying goodbye, keep it clear with the hands on the clock. And when all bodies never so peaceful, and when all the evening inside, I believe somehow we'll survive. Trying hard to pretend that we're gonna be fine. Did anything else I did so true, but just like a tear that comes in the light. In the morning, you were out of my sight. Don't wait for me, somebody else to see, away from where I stand. Someone's always saying goodbye. I believe it hurts and I cry. Don't run out, my face never so inside. It only aching inside. I believe so hard to survive. Trying hard to pretend that we're gonna be fine. Someone's always saying goodbye. I believe it hurts and I cry. Don't be wrong, but this never so inside. Even though they aching inside, I believe somehow I survive. Trying hard to pretend that we're gonna be fine. Holding on, but this never so inside. Even though they aching inside, I believe somehow I survive. Trying hard to pretend.